Good morning, students. Everyone, very good morning. I'm audible, students? Yes, very good morning. Right, very good morning, all very good morning. Okay, today we are going to discuss the most important chapter, structures. Okay, now what is meant by a structure concept? Okay, simple thing, guys. Just watch it carefully what I am saying. First, what is the importance of structure? First, I am giving small example. Okay, for example, for this class, how many books you are going to carry? Generally, one book. By hand or by bag? By hand. When single book is there, you are using hand or not? For college, bag or not? Why? Because more books are there. Very good. You are using more books. When more books are there, you are having two hands now. Some books here, some books here, some books here, some books here. You can handle now. Because of some students are there, they are putting books inside the pant. Yes or no? Now then why you are using the bag? Because of easy to carry. Yes or no? For example, you are having a bike and in one hand books, one hand bike, guaranteed Apollo hospital or not? That's why they are using what? Bag. When bag is there, you are going to hang it now. Now both hands are free, easy to ride the bike or not? Now tell me inside the bag what you are having. Girls don't say. Girls bags are having lipstick, face powder, yes or no, bindi packets. Yes. Now boys, your bags are having what? Books. Which books? Subject books or other books? Clearly. Subject books are not. Which subject? Different subjects or same subject? And now all the different books are carried with one bag or not? Suppose college completed. You are going to return back or not? Now you are going to throw the bag. Because of aaj ka kam ho gaya. Next day morning required. Next day morning, you are searching the bag books. When bag address is available, all the books address also. Now in my example, the bag is structure. The bag is inside the bag what you are having? Different books, different subject books. Now in my example, the structure containing different type of variables. Different type of variables. For example, say this. Okay, as a student, everybody having some details or not? Watch it. Struct. Whose structure it is? Student. And tell me, every student obviously containing roll number or ID number? Yes. Every student having a name and every student have to pay the. Now tell me guys, ID number what type generally? Integer. Name and fee. Float or not? Same type or different type? But all are stored by a structure or not? Now see this. Now it is looking same to same or not? Now tell me it is looking like a bag or not? And inside the bag what we are having? Different variables or not? When different variables are there, can I say it is collection of heterogeneous variables? Collection of actually array. Array is collection of homogeneous. Array is collection of, because of array allows to store same type of variables, but in structure different type or not? That's why the difference between array and structure is array mean collection of homogeneous variables. Structure is collection of heterogeneous variables. And now tell me guys, suppose I am going to carry this bag. That means indirectly I am carrying ID number, name, fee or not. Means I have to separately take them or only one bag is enough. When bag is passed means all the values also. Easy to. Okay. And structure address is there. All the variables address also. Available or not? Yes. That's why I'm comparing. Okay. The structure with what guys? Bag. Next, in this example, the structure is a keyword and STU is the tag name. STU is called tag name, but it is not compulsory. It is used to identify the structure. It belongs to whom? Suppose I have given STU. Easy to understand. Student structure. When employee is there, employee structure. When CUST is there, customer. When car is there, car structure. That means every structure having a name or not. And obviously names are used to identify or not. Yes. And later watch it guys. Generally ID number, name, fee. Generally what we are calling? INT ID number, character name, float fee. In general what we are calling? Variables. Generally they are called variables. Okay, at least tell me who we are all, including you and me. Human beings are not. Yes, remaining persons getting doubt, I think. No answer, na? Andar koi hai? Janwar hai kya? Because of no answer coming, Who we are all? Human beings are not. Yes, very good. In our house, we are having father, mother, brother, sister, like this, na? What they are called? Father, mother, brother, sister, what they are called? Family members, what they are called? Who we are all? You and me. Human beings, what they are? Family members. Sorry to say, that means they are not human beings. You are saying that. 2 times I have asked. 2 times I asked. You are saying we are human beings. They are family members. That means they are not human beings. No? Not. तेरे brother, तेरे sister, family members ना human beings ना तेरे wife Okay, now tell me guys, they also human beings, but there is a blood relation or not? When blood relation is there, we are calling family members or not? And where they are staying? Inside the home, no? And now tell me, basically what these are? Variables. But right now they are inside the structure, no? That's why these are called structure members. Don't call variables. Understood? Don't say variables. You should have to call. They are structure members. Structure members. Okay. Next guys, how many ID numbers are there in our example? Only one. And how many names? Only one. How many fees? But in class, one student is there or so many students? So many. Now I want to store all the student IDs, all the student names, all the fees. Okay. At least tell me, you are having how many 10th class mark list? 10th class passed now? And then give me respond. How many original mark lists? Intermediate and BTech or any degree? And now tell me, why we need all these certificates? 10th class certificate 1, intermediate 1, degree 1, provisionals. Yes or no? And I'm asking, why we need these certificates? Proof for marriage. Proof for marriage. In wedding card में डाला है ना, किशोर bracket में M.Tech, ज़्यादा डोरी आएगा. Then for what? For job. For job or not? And now tell me, you are applying for one job or so many jobs? Clearly. What a confidence, You are going to attend so many jobs. You are having that much of. Okay, all right. You are attending so many jobs, no? But to attend the interview, first you have to submit your resume, no? Along with the resume, you have to give the certificates, no? but you are having how many certificates? Originals. Original, I'm asking. Only one or not? But you are applying for one job or several? Then cutting करके इसको एक उसको एक देगा. You are making Xerox or not? Suppose you are having one 10th class mark list. Now you are having 5 Xerox copies. All the 5 are having same information. Yes or no? Now watch it, guys. I am also doing the same thing. Okay. I am also doing the same thing. For example, here how many original structures? Now watch it, guys. I am declaring 5 Xerox, S1, S2. Okay. 3 Xerox copies. I have created how many? 3 Xerox copies. Now tell me how many structures are there? Only. But how many Xerox are there? 3. 1 minute, guys. Everybody watch it carefully and tell me. INT A comma B comma C. INT A comma B comma C. What they are called? Very good. Integer variables. These are called. Tell me, guys, how many integers are there? Show me. 3. I am asking how many integers are there? Only 1. But how many integer variables are there? 3 or not? Now can I say INT is the original copy? INT is the, then ABC are the Xerox copies or not? Now ABC are the Xerox copies now? Then student is the original copy. Okay. Then can I say these are the structure variables? Here what these are? Integer variables. Because of they are declared from integer. When they declared from integer, we are calling integer variable. Now these are declared from structure or not? That's why these are called structure variables or not. Got it, everyone? These are called structure variables. And now tell me, guys, how many integers are there? Only 1. How many variables? And now can I say 3 values we can store? We can store right now 3 values or not? Like that, how many student information we can store? For example, see this, guys. Everybody take a look on this. It is the first student data. It is the first student data, guys. Here ID number is there. Here name is there. Here fees is there. And same to same, how many copies created? 3 copies. Now second student, and it is the third student. Now can I say this copy name is nothing but S1? This copy name is nothing but S1 student data. And this copy is nothing but, and this one is nothing but S3 or not? And now how many copies? 3. Very good. And now watch it carefully. Suppose I want to store first student data. Then I'm going to store here. Okay. 1, for example, Ravi. And for example, 1000. That's all. Can I say it is the first student data? Like that. Can I store the second student here? That's all. Now tell me, guys, how many student data is here? 3 members or not? Like this, can I store 1000 also? Say yes or no? Now tell me, guys, can I say it is nothing but ID number? Student ID number? P or not? Now tell me, how to call the one? Now I want to print Ravi name. I want to print the Ravi name. Then how to call the name? Okay? Printer name, but we are having 3 names. Whose name printed? That's why S1 dot name. Remember, very, very important. S1. Now meaning very clear. I want to print the name which belongs to S1 or not. Okay? Suppose I want to print Radhi. S2 dot name and Abhi, Bablu. S3 or not? Say yes or no? Here dot indicates what? Okay. Listen. Here dot indicates or dot is called member of operator or member access operator or membership operator or belongs to operator or field access operator. We are having different names. Okay, they are called with different names. These are the three different names. Okay, one is nothing but what? Member of operator, member access operator, membership operator, belongs to operator, field access operator. Why they are called like this? Simple, very simple. Okay, generally we are having a name now, everybody having name, and we are having a surname also. Tell me, guys, everybody having a surname now. For example, we are going to call like this: P. Dot Kishore. Now Kishore is what, guys? Name, and P, my surname. And now, for example, P. Dot Radha, my wife name. Now Radha also member of P family. Point observe it. Kishore also member of P family or not? But in between Kishore and P, Radha and P, we are using dot. Okay. Why? Because we can put star symbol or dollar. Na? A general I'm asking. P dollar Radha, P dollar Kishore. Then why you are using dot only? Tell me. Because of dot indicates member of. Logic very clear. Kishore is the member of P family or not? Now how they are separated? Dot operator or not? Same to same. Here, same to same. Now, name is the member of S1 family. Now, this name, Radhi, is the member of S2. Bablu is the member of. That's why it is called member of operator or member access. Membership belongs to field access. 1 minute, tell me, guys. Can I say it is Ravi record and it is the Radhi record and Bablu record? That means structure allows to keep our data in the form of records or not. Okay. And now tell me it is, can I say these are the rows? These are the rows and these are the columns or not. That means structure allows to store our data in the form of rows and columns or not. Say yes or no. And now these columns are also called fields. These columns are also called. That's why field access operator. We're accessing the fields. We're accessing the fields. Anybody knows Oracle? Anybody knows Oracle? Now in Oracle, it is nothing but the table. In Oracle, it is nothing but the table. And the rows are also called tuples. And fields are also called attributes. Yes or no? Now tell me, table is collection of rows and columns. Table is collection of. Yes or no? That means structure allows to store our data in the form of rows and columns, which leads to the table concept. The total Oracle software they have designed using of structure concept. Oracle is the product of C language. Oracle is the product of C language. In Oracle, the data arranged in the form of rows and columns. Everybody clear? And these tables are called entities. Or they are also called. Okay, fine. And now tell me, guys, how to call the Ravi? How to call the Ravi? S1 dot name. Very clear? Now listen. Very important point I want to say. Suppose you are going to hotels now. We are going to hotel. For example, just assume it is nothing but Hotel Paradise. Okay. Now it is nothing but Hotel Paradise. Suppose Begumpet. Okay. Now there is a line or not? Okay. Now your items completed. Order completed, food also completed. Finally, they are giving what? Bill or not. And the billing information looking like this, guys. First, item, later quantity, later price, and finally, yes or no, guys? Okay. Later, one more line created. Okay. Now item name. For example, X. Something. Quantity 1. For example, 320 rupees. And amount also 320. Next, some Y item. 2. Suppose each one 30 rupees. Just assume cool drinks. Okay. Each one 30 rupees. Now 60 rupees now. And ice cream. For example. Okay. Now 2 cups. For example, each one 80 rupees. Now 160. Okay, guys. And now item completed. Now finally they are going to give bill or not. Now the bill is looking like this. Here they are going to write what? Total amount now. And now total amount is how much? 320 plus 60, 380. 380 plus 160. Okay, 540. Now the total amount 540 rupees or not. Now it is the amount you have to pay. GST, all this common. Okay. And now watch it, guys. Can I say it is X item record? It is nothing but X item record. That means this bill is collection of. This bill is collection of. And our structure data also looking like. That means, can we design this billing program using structure concept? Yes. Now you are going to supermarket. There also you are purchasing item. Finally, you are getting the bill or not. Again, same to same. Got it? And you are going to college. In college, you are paying the fee. They are giving a receipt or not. Same. Okay. And generally, you are going to make phone calls. Now you want to take the phone call statement. Statement. Each statement means each call is one record. And you want to take the last 3 months bank statement. Logic understood? Each transaction is one record. That means nowadays all the things are going on. Structure concept. Structure. But small difference is there. What is that? Now I am going to explain all these examples using of what, guys? Structure or not. But nowadays in place of structure they are using the class. And here structure variables now. Now class variables. Class which are called, that's all, which are called objects, guys. Now based on this, S1 is a object. S2 also. That means this one is collection of object or not. That's why it is OOPS concept. That's why it is OOPS concept. Object oriented programming structure. That's why we are calling it is object oriented programming structure. Because of in Java, .NET, Python or C++, the program is collection of objects. The program is collection of objects. That's why the program is called collection of objects. OOPS concept. Object oriented program. In C language, every program is one function. Yes or no? That's why C is collection of functions or procedures. That's why POP. That's why it is PO. But in Java, C++, every program is collection of objects. That's why Java, Python is object oriented program. Got the difference, guys? Everyone understood? Like this, we are going to use the structure. Next. Now, what is the advantage of structure means? It allows to store different type of variables in one place. Not only that one. Another important thing. What is that? Okay. Generally, the student having a subject also now. Every student having subjects now. Okay. Suppose just assume 10th class student. In 10th class, how many subjects? 6 subjects. Then declare the 6 subjects. SUB of 6. Can I say array it is? SUB of 6. When size is there, it is array. And generally, every student containing address also. No? Now, I am declaring the address. Now, as a star. Star mean pointer. No? And tell me guys, array and pointer, can I say these are derived data types? Array and pointers are called an integer character float. Very good. Primitive data types. Integer, okay, character float. These are called primitive, no? That means structure is collection of both primitive and derived data types. Okay, structure is collection of both primitive and derived data types. Next, now watch it carefully. Who designed this structure right now? Right now, who designed this structure? Kishore. Kishore is a user. That's why structure is a user-defined data type. Now clear? Why the structure is called? It is a user-defined. Because of user is creating the structure by using of both primitive and derived or not. That's why structure is called. It is a user-defined data type. I think everybody clear? Next. Now, one more important thing also there. It is a complex data type. Why? Because it is having one type or different type. Different means complex, no? That's why structure is called. It is a user-defined complex data type. Got it? Everyone got it? Now, structure allows to keep our data in the form of records. Structure allows to keep our data in the form of. That's why it is easy to carry the data from one place to another or not. Now these are the advantages of structure. And nowadays, all the real-time examples are going based on structure, but in C++ Java, class. In C++ Java, class. And from class, what we are creating? That's why when you are attending Java class, your sir is saying object is the class variable. Here it is structure variable, na? Here structure variable when it is created from class. Class variable. And structure variables are, another name is what? Xerox copies, na? Or which are also called? Technical term, instance. Technical term. That's why when you are attending Java, your Java sir is saying object is instance of a class. Okay. First definition, it is a class variable. It is a class variable. Second definition, it is instance of the class. And third definition also there. What is that? Class is logical and object is physical. Very, very important. Class is logical or structure is logical or object is physical, which is also called class is a blueprint. Class is called blueprint or structure is a blueprint. Once a class is created, you can define any number of objects. How can you say class is logical copy and objects are physical copies? What is the difference? Interview question. When the memory allocated for structure members. When the memory allocated for structure members. Immediately say when the structure variables created, then only memory allocated. Or when the objects created, then only memory allocated for class members. How to prove it practically? What is logical? What is physical? What is blueprint? Okay? Listen. Everybody listen. I'm going to explain important topic. Everybody listen carefully. Suppose it is Hyderabad, guys. Just assume it is a Hyderabad town. Okay? Now, in Hyderabad, I'm having a land. Okay? In Hyderabad, I have the land. And here, I want to construct a building. I want to construct a duplex building, guys. Example. Okay? It is the building I want to construct. Now, the point is to construct this building, to construct this building, first I need a plan, I think. First I need a plan. And now for that, I am going to contact the architecture or not. Now architect is giving the building plan or not. Tell me. And where the plan is? Generally, where the plan is? On a paper or not? And now the paper plan given to the builder. And builder is going to construct the building now? Say yes or no. Okay? That means to construct this building, first I need a plan. And where the plan is? Paper. Now tell me guys, this paper plan, real building or image? The paper plan is real building or image? That means it is nothing but a, which is logical, which is also called. Why? Because once upon a time, the plans created with blue powder. Right now, okay, actually for our clothes also, they are using blue, Ujala. Ujala, liquid blue drops they are using now. Once upon a time, Robin blue powder is there. Okay, to draw the plan, they are using blue powder. They are going to dip the thread. They are having a thread. They are going to dip it. Now the blue touch it now. They are going to draw a line and they are going to leave. Automatically, line created means once upon a time they have created the plans using of blue color. That's why these are called blueprints also. Okay. Now that blueprint is real building or image only now. Now image need the land. Paper plan need the land. No, only paper. But real building, land required now. And that means it is physical. It is also logical. Real building, physical. Tell me. Yes, real building it is physical. Now in my class, the paper plan is nothing but R. And the real building is object, guys. The real building is nothing but. Now tell me, guys. Suppose you are having one paper plan. We can create any number of buildings or not. Come on. Once a paper plan created, by using that plan, we can create any number of buildings or not. That means paper plan real or image only. That's a logical copy. But this building is real. That's why physical copy. Now tell me, when the memory required? Based on this, tell me, when the memory required? When creating the class, when creating the object, when creating the, and the HR question also same. When the memory required? When object created, then only memory allocated. Got it, guys? When the memory created, then only, when the object created, then only memory. That means without object, no memory. That's why class or structure is called logical copies. Okay? Is it clear? It is about structure and how the structure is working. Okay? Everybody clear now? Based on this, every structure should have to start with which keyword? Structure, letter, tag name. And why the tag name is used? Where the tag name is used? Very simple. Here S1, S2, S3 are what I said? Structure variables. Structure. Suppose you have not declared the structure variable. In other place you have to declare. Then how to declare? It is the syntax. First struct name S1 comma S2. That's all. Structure. Variables created, guys. Now watch it. In our example, struct is the what? Keyword. Struct is the, and STU is the tag name S1, S2, S2. Structure variable. Structure. That means to create the structure variables in other places, we should have to use the name or not. To create the structure variables in other places, we should have to use the name, guys. Point understood? Without structure name, we can't create the structure variables in other places. But suppose see this, already variables are there. S1, S2, S3. Already variables are there now. Then there is no need of a name. Okay, means name compulsory or optional? Optional. Name is optional, but when it is compulsory means when we want to define the structure variables in other places, then only tag name is required. Okay, next, how the memory allocated? See that guys, it is the memory allocation. First ID number now. Come on, ID number what type? 2 bytes, integer. Next name, 20 bytes no character, and float fee 4 bytes. That means total 26 bytes. The structure required how many bytes? 26. How can you say? Because of ID number integer. Integer required. And name 20 characters, 20 bytes. And float fee 4 bytes. Plus 2 plus 20 plus 4. Answer 20. Clear? That's the structure size is sum of all the structure members. Logic clear? Actual ID number name fee are what? Structure members now. Okay, that's the structure size is sum of all the structure members. Based on this one, they are calculating structure size. I think very clear. Everyone? Okay, I want to prove it practically, guys. I want to prove this one practically. Just take a look on this. First, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, struct I am going to declare student. Same details, ID number, name of 20, float fee, and structure variable. Yes. Now main function. Now watch it guys, printf size equal to percentage d comma size of s. Everybody observe it guys. How many bytes it is showing? 20. Right answer? Same answer or not? Next watch it. Suppose this time, everybody observe it. Anybody? Struct, what it is? Empty. Now structure variable name. Now I am not going to use empty. Name is used or not used? I said just before. When structure variable is there, there is no need of name. Now watch it guys. Size equal to percentage d comma percentage d. This time size of e. Answer is what guys? The structure size 0 bytes. Yes, 100% wrong. Kaise 0 bytes aata? 0 bytes. Suppose I said, okay, I'm having 0 rupees. Meaning kya hai? I'm having 0 rupees. Meaning kya hai? No money. But minimum 1 byte required na guys. That's why empty structure size 1 byte. See that correct or not? 26 comma 1 or not? And that's why remember it is an interview question. Empty structure or empty class size is what? Empty structure or empty class size is always 1 byte. Minimum 1 byte is required to define the structure variable. And tell me, tag name used or not used? But program working or not? Okay, like this we can. And you can declare the structure variable like this also. Suppose struct student yes. See that? Any warning or error? Warning common because of we have not used it. Now watch it. Any error? No. Run this program. Again answer is same to same or not? It is how to declare the structure variable from structure. First struct keyword required, later structure name required, later structure variable. Got it everyone? First I want to add up to this one notes guys. Up to this I am going to add the notes. Later we are going for programs on this. Structure very important because of nowadays your Java going on structure based. That's why in C++ they are calling class is the extension of structure. Total class concept they have developed from structure concept guys. Total oops concept designed from structures. That's why structure is very important. I will show you how they are making the bills also. Just before I have given billing program now. I will show you that how they are preparing this kind of bills. Okay, guys. Now it is the memory allocation. S1 structure variable, S2. S1 having ID. ID how many bytes? Name and fee. That's the each structure takes. Is it clear? Now everyone observe it, guys. I'm going to give the example. First example, direct initialization of structure members. Now watch it. How to initialize the structure variables directly. 1 minute, take a look on this. Same structure. And now can I say it is a global structure? Yes, because of it is defined before the main function. When it is before the main, can I say it is a global structure? Come on, guys. When the structure defined before the main or any variable defined before the main, we are calling global. And when it is global, advantage is what? Any function can access it. Means we can access that one from anywhere. Got it? Same thing is happens, see that? Okay, structure variable name, yes. And here watch it, guys. I'm going to give one more. Okay. Everybody observe it. Here structure variable S1. Now equal to direct value, guys. 101. For example, Krish, comma 5000. Now 101 goes to ID number. Name Krish goes to name. 5000 goes to. Now tell me, guys, in this example, any scanf function, scanf used or not used, but values given or not. That's why we are calling it is direct initialization. Without scanf function, we are storing the value now. That's why we are calling direct initialization of structure members. Got it? Next, this time see this structure S2. S2. Here see this 102. Okay. For example, here Bablu, something, any name, and here 3500. Now, how many students' data is there? I want to print this. See that? First, I want to print the ID number. Later, I want to print the name. And later, I want to print the S1 dot ID, S1 dot name, and S1 dot fee. Next, S2 dot ID, S2 dot name, and S2 dot fee. Okay, guys. Now we are having the details like this. See that both persons' data printed or not. Both student information printed or not. That means we can initialize the members globally or locally now. It is a local initialization. Okay. Actually here it is a local structure variable. S2 is the local structure now because of this S2 declared inside the, when it is defined inside the main, we are calling local or not? Yes. But answer is same to same. Okay, guys. It is how the structure data initialized. Now it is output of this program. And this time watch it. Another method. Suppose I am giving only 101. Listen carefully. And here I am giving 102. Anybody guess it? Maybe the answer. Maybe guess it. Yes, come on. Maybe. Okay. Watch it. ID number 101, 102. Name blank space, blank space. And fee 0.0, 0.0. That's all. It is the answer. See that? Okay. Because of in structure, there is a rule. When all the structure members not initialized, when all the structure members not initialized, integer keeps 0. Floating value stores 0.000 and character place space. Remember that. Character always keeps a blank space and integer keeps 0. Float keeps 0.00. It is the rule. That's why you are getting name is a character type, no? That's why blank space. And fee is a float, no? That's why 0.00. But I have given 0.2, no? That's how many zeros visible? It is another important thing. Okay. And next watch it, guys. This time I'm going to do one thing. This time no value is given. Everybody observe it. This time previous example 101, 102 given, no? Means one member initialized. This time watch it. There is no initialization. No value given, guys. There is no value given. Now guess it maybe. ID 1 1 1 कैसे आएगी जी 1 का है पहले 0 ID number 0 name blank fees again yes 100% wrong global variable gives the values local variable gives garbage एक बार देखो it is the important thing everybody have to remember see that global is giving garbage values sorry global is giving same values local is giving why because at least one member also not given I have given that condition if all the structure members not initialized all if all not initialized 0 0.0 blank but here no member initialized when no member initialized means local variable stores garbage data but global variable no problem okay nothing to worry all these things covered in notes I have covered this topic also in notes okay see that here very clearly I have mentioned that when it is local structure without initialization very clearly I have mentioned when it is a local structure without initialization stores what garbage value otherwise store 0 0.00 and blank in integer float and clear now right it is how to initialize the structure variables now listen guys in structure variable initialization the passing values and structure members data type should be same the passing values structure members data type should be same for example you are sending here see that here you are sending first what guys 101 101 is what type integer and ID also matching or not and second krish is what type string and here also string no problem 5000 number and here float no problem no? Because of float can keep integer or float no that's a no problem suppose see this time you are doing like this s1 equal to for example krish something 2000 or something 3000. Okay, right now it is giving errors, but watch it. Answer is what? Some unknown values again, garbage values. And now watch it. This time what I am doing? For example, hi. Hi is a what type? String, but you are inserting in floating. Again, watch it. Error or not, guys? Point understood? That's why otherwise you are getting garbage or errors. When data type not mismatching means when data type not matched, then you are going to get error or garbage value. That's why take care when you are giving the values properly. I think very clear now. Right. Next, watch it, guys. Finding structure size. I want to find out the structure size, guys. Okay, how to find out the structure size? Already have given now. Okay, structure size is sum of all the structure members. Okay, empty structures take. Okay, now it is a practical proof, guys. Suppose struct empty. Okay, next here nothing is there. E. Watch it, guys. Here this time. Screen clear. Printf student size equal to percentage d. Empty size equal to percentage d. Size of yes. Size of okay. And here bracket लगा दिया ना. Okay. Okay, watch it. Structure student size is 26. Empty. It is how to find the structure size, guys. I think everyone very clear now. It is how to define the structure. Okay, like this. Next, watch it. Next example, reading and finding structure data. How to read and print the structure data at runtime. Okay, I want to read the structure data at runtime, guys. Watch it. I'm going to define a structure. Suppose main program. Now see this. Can I say it is a local structure? This time it is a local structure or not? Yes, because of it is defined inside the main function now. Okay. And so for example, struct vehicle. Vehicle details I want to store. First, what are the vehicle details available? Character. Which company vehicle it is? Okay. Later, model. Next one, price. Okay, guys. And here, registration number, guys. That vehicle, every vehicle having a number now. Okay. And now I want to store the vehicle details, guys. Suppose first vehicle, which company vehicle it is, model is what, registration number and price. Then watch it. I am declaring the structure variable. Okay. Inside them here, like this, guys. Struct, see that. Vehicle V. Can I say it is structure variable? Okay. Later watch it. I am reading the details. First one, guys. Enter vehicle. Company or not? Means which vehicle company it is. Okay. And now company name. For example, suppose. Okay, company name. Space is also there now. Yes or no? For example, Maruti space Suzuki. Maruti space Suzuki. Am I right? Now space also available now? That's why better to go for gets function. Now gets off. Everybody observe it. E V dot. It is a method now, calling the method. V dot company. Let us see this. Printf, enter model. Now gets off again. V dot model. Means in Maruti Suzuki, so many models variants are there or not? For example, Ertiga, Baleno, Brezza. Yes or no? So many models are there. Next printf. Enter registration. Okay, vehicle number, what it may be, registered number or vehicle number. And registered number having what? Alphabets, numbers both. Yes or no? That's why better one string now. Now V dot registered number. Last one, enter. Now gets float now. Scanf. Percentage. Ampersand. V dot. Okay, guys. 1 minute, watch it. 1 minute, watch it. Any warning or error? Now print the details. Printf. See that, guys. Now first one. Company. Percentage. S comma V dot. Next printf. Model now. Now percentage S slash N V dot model. And printf. Okay, number, vehicle number. Means registration number. Nothing but vehicle number now. Okay, or registered number. Okay, percentage. Yes again, comma, V dot register number. And finally, price. Percentage point to F V dot price. 1 minute. Any warning or error? Now run this program. For example, enter vehicle company. Suppose, okay, enter anything. Suppose, guys, I am going to enter Kia. Okay, vehicle company Kia. Enter model name. Okay, for example, I am going to enter Kia. Okay, Carnival. Right, Carnival. Model Carnival. Enter registration number. For example, here I am going to enter AP27 AB. Okay, 5677. Next, enter price. For example, 35 lakhs. Okay, guys. Top end. Okay. Now it is clear or not? Is it clear? And that's all. And now watch it, guys. Right now we have stored what? Vehicle details now. Okay. And next watch it. Like this, any enter vehicle company. For example, here TVS Apache. Okay. Next RTR 160. Next, now my vehicle number, guys. AP27AB 5677. Okay. Enter price. For example, 1,20,000. Apache right now cost is what? Okay, now 1,20,000. Okay, guys. Is it clear? Now see that. Details stored or not? And space also there or not? Is it clear? Like this, we can store our vehicle details. It is, guys, how to get the details. It is how to read and print the structure data. Now all the details we have entered at runtime or not? Yes. It is the output of this program, guys. It is how to read and print the structure data at runtime or not? Yes. Next, watch it. This time, I'm going to give one more details. Here, what it is? Array of. I said what? We can define the array also inside the structure. We can declare the array also inside the structure. Yes. Then how to declare the array inside the structure? Watch it. And it is a program, guys. Okay. One familiar example I want to go. Student. Same student data. Student having subjects now. How many subjects? 6. Suppose you are writing Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. How many times you have to define? 6 times. Instead of that, can I take the array? Watch it. How to take the array as structure members. Watch it. Struct. Name is what? Student. And first of all, student having the. And how many subjects you are saying? 6 subjects now. Next. Along with that, every student having a name also. Okay. Now enough. ID number, name, 6 subject, marks. From this, I want to find out student total marks, average, and passa, fail. Okay. Passa, fail. That's all. It is my requirement, guys. I want to enter first ID number, later name, later 6 subjects. From this, I want to find out total, average, passa, fail. And then watch it. Here structure variable name. Yes, it is a structure variable. Now main function started. Everybody observe it, guys. It is a main function. Okay. After reading the main function, see that first CLR, SCR. And before that, I am taking I. Why? Because I am taking I means 6 subjects are there. When 6 subjects are there, better to go for a loop. And loop required a variable now. That's why I am taking I variable. I for iteration. Okay. And not only that one, I am taking one more variable. TOT. I need a total value now. That's why total value I am going to take 0. And as usual, average also there now. That's why AVG variable. And one more variable, pass. Pass or fail. Suppose right now I have given 1. Generally 1 means what? Passed. Okay. Means true. True means passed. Suppose if any subject below 35, he is getting 0 there. Got it? And now run the program, guys. First printf, enter student. Observe it. Student ID. Now scanf, percentage D, ampersand ID. But we have to use S dot ID now. Structure member now. Every structure member should be called with structure variable followed by dot operator now. Okay. Later, enter student name. Now gets space is also available now. Space. Okay, including space also complete. Now how many subjects? Then same message. Puts off. Enter 6 subject marks. Meaning very clear. Enter the 6 subject marks. I value as usual 0. I less than 6. I plus plus. Now scanf required. Okay, watch it carefully. Percentage D, ampersand S dot of a array. Array containing index number na. Tell me right now I value. Very good, 0. Right now I value 0. Means first subject stored in subject of 0. Okay. Later watch it. What I am also doing here. Total equal to total plus s dot subject of I. Already total value 0. 0 plus I value is what? Means 0 subject marks. Means first subject. For example, student got 70 marks. Now 0 plus 70. Got it? Next time repeated. No? Second subject. Third. Like that how many times? 6 times. Okay now. Like this program repeating how many times? 6 times. All the 6 subject marks added. Got it? Next, here one more important thing. If s dot subject of I less than 35, pass equal to 0, failed now. Meaning very clear. If below 35 marks are there means student passed or failed. That's why if subject wise marks are below 35, then pass equal to 0 means fail or not. I think very clear. Now 3 things is happened in this for loop. First we are reading the marks. Later we are adding the marks. Finally we are finding the pass or fail also. No? Up to this clear? Right. Now watch it guys. Finally puts off. Okay, direct answer. Just watch it. Total is there. Now we have to find out average. Average equal to total by 6.0. Total average equal to already total is there. And how many subjects? 6. But already total is integer. 6 also integer. Integer by integer gives integer. But actually average is float or not. That's why I'm giving 6.0. 6.0 means what? Float no? Integer by float. Answer also. Okay. Now average also completed. And finally, we have to print all the details. Okay. See that what I am doing. Printf percentage S total equal to percentage D. Average equal to 0.2f. And result is. Everybody observe it. Interesting. Comma. First print the S dot name. First name printed. No? For example, Ravi. Example Ravi. Ravi. Total what type? Integer. Then S dot TOT. And next one. First here total value printed. No? And here average printed. No? Means Ravi total something, comma average something. But only one thing is left. Result or not? See that how to find out result. Everybody observe it. Puts off. I'm taking simple condition. Puts off. Pass. Question mark. Passed. Colon. One simple technique guys. Everybody observe it. One simple technique I have used. Actually pass starting value is what? Pass starting value is what? 1. Generally in C language, 1 means true. 1 means. Now for example, pass value 1. 1 means true na? True means question mark parta, colon parta. True mean question mark parta, colon. Question mark having here result. Passed printed. For example, any one subject failed. Pass becomes what? 0. 0 means true or false. False means question mark colon. Colon printing means Ravi failed. Logic very simple. S dot total is not the member of structure now. Total is a local variable. Average also local variable. Only structure members called with structure variable name. Remember, only the structure members called with structure variable followed by dot operator. But total and pass average are local variables. They never called like this. Now watch it. One error showing it is name. S is added. Okay. Now any warning or error? No. Run this program guys. Enter student ID. For example, 1001. Okay. Now it is the problem. See that actually later we have to enter what after the number? Name. Actually we have to enter the name. But without entering the name, directly it is asking the 6 subject marks. Anybody guess it? Maybe why? Because flush all. When you are having this problem, use the flush all function. See that guys? When it is not reading the name, immediately apply. Now watch it. Your problem solved or not. Waiting for name or not. Okay. And now I have entered like this. See that guys? Krish total 530, average 88.3 and very clear message. Very clearly. It is showing the message or not? Yes. It is your program, guys. And it is the output of this program. Okay. And next watch it. Here student passed or not. But in which class student passed? It is there. For example, here see this. Enter student ID 1002. Enter student name Jack. Marks are like this. 45, 43, 20, 45, 40, 35. Okay. In one subject, 20 marks. 20 marks means passed or failed. Then see that. Jack total okay. Average okay. But right answer or not? Yes. Okay. Like this, Jack is going to be failed. But I want to find out Jack passed in first class, second, third, fail. Okay. I want to make it, means I want to extend this program. Okay. I need the class also. Just it is giving pass or fail only. But I want to find out in first class, in second, in third, in fail. Okay. Then how to find out student class? Okay. Watch it, guys. I'm giving that one also. Very simple technique. See that. It is the program, guys. Up to average printed. Very simple. Direct answer. If it is already there now. If pass equal to 0, direct answer. Failed. Okay. Else if average greater than or equal to 75, puts off. Distinction above or equal to 75%. Distinction now. Else if average greater than or equal to 60, printf first class now. And else if average greater than or equal to 50, puts off second class or not. Else puts off guaranteed. It's over. It is not required. Meaning very clear, guys. Pass value 0, directly fail. Otherwise passed. When passed means there is a chance for distinction first to second, third fail. Okay. Now watch it. Your problem is solved or not. Enter student ID 1001. Okay. Enter student name. For example, Jill. And 6 subject marks 56, 98, 89, 90. Okay. 91 and 78. See that? Jill total 502. Average 83. When 83% is there, distinction now. Okay. That's it. Now say this. I'm adding this one. Okay. Next, watch it. This time, I'm adding the details like this 1002. Okay. Enters name. Suppose Candy. Now 6 subject marks 45, 53, 39, 50, 48, and 44. See that? Result. Because of average 46%. 46% means third class now. Correct answer or not? Now this time 1004. Okay, student name, for example, Khan. Marks are like this 56, 60, 62, 51, 49, and 55. Is this same? I'm going to show you all the classes. Second class, right answer? Yes, 55% now. Got it, guys? First person pass it in. Distinction. Second one. Okay. Second one, third class. Next one, second class. And now watch it. This time, for example, 105, 105. Enter student name. Okay. For example, here I'm going to enter John. Next six subject marks 65, 59, 62, 69. Here 62 and 58. That's all. First class, see that? Means all the classes working or not? Because of average 62%. That's why first class. Okay. Like this it is working. Now see this last one. Okay, 106. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, 106. The next student name, for example, okay, here I'm some Akbar. Okay, suppose Anil is there. Some 6 subject marks. Actually, here this time, watch it. All the subjects passed, but one subject failed. Okay, 2 subjects failed. Okay, result is now 100% our program working. Yes, it is how to find out the student result, guys, using structure array of structure members. In this example, we have used array or not? Okay, I think everyone understood this program. Everyone, this program understood or not? It is how to define the array of structure members. Okay, Monday we are going for remaining examples. Monday I'm going to start the remaining programs, and Monday I will show you how to create the billing also. Billing program I said, no? Monday I will show you how to create the bill also. Okay, right, guys? Until that, take care and bye bye. Happy Sunday. See you on Monday, guys. Thank you all. Okay, thank you. Anyone is having O positive blood? You are willing to give? O positive. You. Okay, 1 minute. Huh? Right. Thank you all guys. Sorry. New batch. New batch